Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and you're well. So in today's video viewers, so our first idea is friends. Small stone can become a beautiful piece of art with a little creative items using simple pebbles to create a unique home decoration. Choose different shape and size of stones, arrange them into a lovely design and add some colors and detail. Pebble art is simple, affordable and give a nature touch to your home. A few stones and your imagination can create something truly special. Try this easy craft idea and bring the beauty of nature into your space. Pebble garden decoration. Nature gives us many beautiful material and pebble are one of them. With this small stone we can create amazing garden decoration. Paint them with bright color, make cute patterns or use them to decorate plant, pot and pathway. Pebbles add a simple and natural beauty to any garden. The best part is that this craft is easy, fun and perfect for all age. Create your own pebble decoration and make your garden more colorful. Friends, look at this simple pebble. They many look ordinary, but with creative they can become beautiful art of work. Clean the stones, choose your favorite color, paint flower, animal face or pattern on them. Paint pebbles can be used as paperweight, garden decoration or cute home accessory. A small stone can hold up big ideas. Enjoy this fun project and turn simple pebbles into little piece of happiness. Friends, viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care.